for this video, but we're doing it anyway. The attempt to get more women to watch my content is real. Right now, I want to say it was like 17% female, 83% male. And so, in the attempt to get more women to watch my programming tutorials, we're doing an unboxing. And so what is this unboxing? We're essentially, if you've heard of the FabFitFun, this is one of my favorite subscription services. This is literally like amazing. I love it. Very exciting. So yeah, some of this stuff is, I'll go through all of this, but some of this stuff I like added onto my box, and so it's really cool. This is the box, but I added on to my box because they have really good sales, and you know I love sales. And so let's go ahead and move into an overhead shot. So this is the subscription box. I really like this box also because it comes with a lot of like self-care stuff. So, you know, after you're hacking, you know, have a long night in hackathon mode, no sleep, this box comes with a lot of really great stuff to like face masks, that sort of thing, that make you feel, you know, refreshed. So let's go ahead and open this. And here we have like a little magazine. A magazine comes with like each of these boxes. Basically shows you what's in the box, how to use it, that sort of thing. But we don't want spoilers, so we'll go ahead and put that over here. These are two. I'm not gonna flip them over because I feel like they're gonna have like a special coupon code that like I want to use because I paid for the box. So but these are two $50 off coupons for HelloFresh. It's a meal kit delivery service. I've tried Blue Apron before. It was expensive, but mainly, you know, I liked it. I liked cooking because I don't really know how to cook, and so it like made me feel like I know how to cook. But like the food was like a little too healthy. I don't know. So maybe I'll have to try HelloFresh and see if they have better food. I just didn't like the meals. So let's go ahead and open this. So this looks like, oh, let's straighten it up. So this looks like it's a lip statement palette by Ish. I really don't know makeup, and so we'll go ahead and open this. And it's a lip statement palette. This is just, I love unboxing things. It makes me feel like I'm opening an Apple product. Okay, we're gonna open. Oh, this is like super, super pretty. I'll have to try on these. Let's see, so it comes with like a little brush and it has a bunch of different colors. Very super, super cute. I really like this pink color, and so if we dab it, I don't know, makeup, is this how you're supposed to do it? Okay, here we go. So I'll show you what this looks like later, but yeah, there's the palette. We also have this piece of jewelry from Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. And this was actually one of they have like these choice items where you get to pick what of like 4 items you want. So I chose this like silver bracelet here. So this is what it looks like. Your other options were like a necklace or I think in the necklace and then in the rose gold color as well. But this is super cute. I love this so much. We also have, this is like so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. We also have this clutch. This was another one of their choice items. Essentially what it is, you got to pick like what style you wanted from Rachel Polly here. But it's like a little clutch. I chose the orange because I thought it was the most bold. And I wear a lot of black, and so I think this will be really good to like pop, you know, and it's reversible. That was like one of the things you could do like this, or you could do like this, like I was shown before. But let's see inside. All right, very roomy, lots of stuff. Very, very good. And then it has this side thing as well. This little tassel. But yeah, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, which is good, so I'll be able to like fit more stuff in it. But yeah, I really like this. I'm glad this is the right choice, I think, for me. I also got this Free People face mask. So let's open this to see this. Ooh, okay. So I really like this because it has, like, you know when you put, you know, like a face mask on your face, but it's like cold? So this has like it's not just like okay, I'm gonna put this on and go to sleep, but it's like I can put this in like the fridge or something, and then it's like super cool on your face, which will definitely come in handy at hackathons. This is like perfect for hacking. I really, really like this. And then we also have this foam roller. I do a lot of running, and so this is gonna come super, you know, in handy after like my longer runs. I did like a half marathon last September, and I'm trying to train again to do another one in like April or May before it gets too hot. So this is gonna be super handy. We also have this makeover concealing ridge filler. Cosmic cuticles, and so it's probably some kind of nail thing. And it is, and so this is like a nail polish. I imagine it like, it doesn't really have a whole lot of color, so this might be a pre-coat or something like that. I don't really wear nail polish, but my nails in general are like pretty weak, and I like bite them when I'm nervous, which is a habit I'm definitely trying to get rid of, so this will definitely help with that. Oh, and the subscription box was only, like, I do the annual, so it's like $200 every year, so it's $50 a box, and so all of this was only $50. And then these, ooh, these are like they're all natural collagen infused lip masks. These will be great, because I know like my lips definitely get dry after like coding all night, and so this will be perfect, perfect, perfect. And it comes with this like little bag that you can just store them in. Very, very cute. And it comes with 5 of them. So that is pretty cool. This was also a choice item, and so I chose this over some like hair thing. This is exfoliating Bali polish, and so I think this was one of their like sponsored items, and so you get like one free sponsored item that you don't know, it's like a mystery item. So this will be good for exfoliating my skin. Cool. And then here is another lotion from Murad. And so this, I imagine, you know, it's a lotion. It will moisturize your skin. This is about how big it is. It's a skin perfecting lotion. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. So it's like a lotion for your face. And then we have this, and this is the Manhattan Beach candle. So this is another thing I got to choose. You basically got to choose like what scent you want. I live in Manhattan, so of course I'm gonna choose Manhattan Beach. And it smells really, really good. It's almost like a little bit of tropical, but also fresh. It's just a really fresh feeling. Smells a little bit, you know, like the beach with the sand. So it smells really good. I'm definitely going to be using this today or tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I know this isn't my usual, you know, type of thing. You know, usually I'm, you know, building something, programming something, but sometimes you need a little bit of self-care, and that comes with the FabFit box, the FabFitFun box. Totally forgot the name there, whatever. But yeah, so I really liked this box. It came with a lot of just really good stuff. You know, like the clutch I'll totally use. The lotion I'll totally use. Same with the nail thing. The lip masks are super nice, especially now that we're getting out of winter into spring and you have like those weather changes. Yeah, solid box. Totally good, totally stuff I will use after a hackathon. And the foam roller too, like that'll be super nice after long runs or just working out in general. But yeah, thanks for watching.